Hello adventurers! Today we're diving into the world of ultralight camping with the MSR PocketRocket 2 Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Mini Stove Kit. Designed for minimalist solo backpackers who need efficiency and convenience on the trail. This compact marvel boils a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes, ensuring you can enjoy a hot meal or drink in no time. The 0.75-liter aluminum pot features an insulated grip, allowing it to double as an eating and drinking vessel, while its lid cleverly serves as a strainer. Included in this versatile kit are the PocketRocket 2 stove, a 16-ounce bowl that's safe for both hot and cold contents, a clear lid with straining ports, an ultralight mini pot lifter, and a handy stuff sack. Weighing in at just 9.9 ounces and packing down to a mere 4 by 4 by 5 inches, this kit is a backpacker's dream, offering portability without sacrificing functionality. Plus, you can embark on your adventures with peace of mind, thanks to the manufacturer's 3-year limited warranty. Whether you're boiling water for a quick meal or enjoying a hot beverage, this kit ensures you're well equipped for your solo journeys. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.